Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2021 Scout 277 LXF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this boat is in the optional full hull midnight blue color with a Scout white accent stripe. Really sets off the boat, matches the boat's white gel coat interior. You'll see we've got a stainless steel insert within the white rub rail. That's actually standard on all Scouts. Nice red accent on the back, the Scout logo. Really beautiful lines, big Carolina bow flare going forward. And now we'll take you inside. So here in the cockpit of the Scout 277 LXF, we'll start off here at the swim platform. Notice we have a full walk across along the swim platform. Allows for easy access from one side of the boat to the other, getting to that designated cockpit door on the starboard side. You see we've got the Esthec faux teak with a reboarding ladder to starboard and a stainless steel grab handle. The boat's powered by twin V6 200 4-strokes from Mercury that feature the top cowling service door, so you can check and change your oil and easily remove the cowling by just engaging this lever. We have a fold-out bench seat, comfortably seats two, with a nice high backrest. Got cup holders on either side, and this stows away really nice and clean. So if you are fishing off this back end, you have a nice padded bolster. Rod holders along the back as well, two on each side. We have a standard bait well that's on a tension hinge, so it's not going to slam on you. Recessed cleats, systems access or bilge access. Scout really puts a lot of emphasis on all of their boats, even down to 19 feet. You'll notice that everything's finished out. It's easy to keep clean. There's no rough edges. Really well-appointed area, and it's easy to get to everything. While we're down here, we've also got some tackle storage. And these outboards have an automatic flushing system. So what that means is there's a quick connection, and you can cycle your fresh water from one motor to the other without needing multiple hoses. We have quick disconnects for our fenders. We've got fish boxes on either side. These are pump out fish boxes that are insulated, so you can also use these as a cooler. They will keep ice. We've got a standard dock door. It's a new feature on the 277. So now I've got easy access to either side of the boat, regardless of how I'm docked. Backside of the leaning post here, this is an upgraded leaning post. We've got 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders, Corian countertop. We've got a bait well here that's lit. Stainless steel grab rail. 65 quart Yeti. Grab rail as well. That is on a slider. Slide that forward and out of the way. Here on the hardtop, we have rocket launchers, LED spreader lights, JL audio speakers that are mounted up into the hardtop, part of the deluxe stereo option that we equipped on this boat. So this boat also has a 10-inch sub and an amp. Coming further forward here to the helm area, I have bolsters that fold and work independently of each other, so your driver can lean while your passenger sits, or vice versa. Foldable armrests. Got a black acrylic dash with a lockable glove box here that has charging ports for your devices. This is a 10-inch screen from Garmin. You've also got space for another 10 or even a 12. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercuries. Upgraded steering wheel, Edson steering wheel with the rubber backing and a steering knob that's on an adjustable tilt. We have trim tabs with LED indicators, digital start and stops. We got redundant switching in addition to what's mounted through or run through the Garmin's. And then we have a Garmin VHF radio factory installed. Coming around to the port side, this boat has a battery charger. Our head area, so you can see we've got a vacuum flush porcelain toilet with its own holding tank. And this in my right hand is the bow sunshade kit. Shade off that bow area. Further forward here up in the bow, again, this is the Grigio interior from Scout. It's an ultra vinyl. It's a gray with a white accent. Backrests easily slide up and out. You want to open this space up. All of these cushions come out as well. You want to fish this area and get the cushions out of the way. You've got storage that's repeated on both sides. Again, everything finished and polished. Storage forward on a gas shock. That is drained. Storage beneath this forward seat. You can use that as a cooler. It's drained as well. Behind the headrest, we have 2 cup holders on either side and a recessed area that's also drained. It's a good spot for sunscreen and phones and small items such as that. Got a stereo remote here. Freshwater fill to the port side for our freshwater tank, and waste tank pump out is to the starboard side. We have windlass anchor standard. This boat is equipped with an optional beach boarding ladder in the bow, and then rod cup holder receivers for that bow sunshade kit, in addition to holding rods or cups. You have controls for your windlass anchor here on the foredeck, in addition to what you have at the helm. And then lastly, we'll pan up to the hardtop one more time. 2 more speakers forward, a forward spreader light, and we also have a Lumitech light bar mounted on top of the hardtop, so it gives you a spotlight feature. That's a look at Scout's 2021 277 LXF. I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and check us out at marinemax.com. Thank you.